Robots are rapidly changing the way we live and work. The use of robotics has expanded to almost every field, including the medical field and healthcare sector. Robot is being used successfully in knee replacement surgery at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Aiims, Mangalgiri. Executive Director of Aiims Mangalgiri, Dr. Aiims Santa, is upbeat on the use of modern technology and robotics in the field of healthcare and especially in surgery that requires precision. Speaking to SKTV News, Dr. Aiims Santa, who had also served as Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, expressed his interest and optimism in bringing such modern robotic technologies to Manipur. SKTV News brings you a special report.
According to Executive Director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences Aiims Mangalgiri, Dr. Aiims Santa, robotic surgery can enhance surgical precision, accelerate recovery of patients, and save lots of time.
Orthopedics orthopedic knee replacement robot precise marking pre-operative robot operation CT scan the robot operation accurate and the post-operative recovery fast way. Sima mayam partner the robots abdominal operation, urologist the Imanava heart of Manipur robotics and go many put already the Sasua sang suppose rims of the drum to charge I don't mind of the all in the institute drum charge to Sigumba advanced young lady. Kaluragabudi, you need to Manipur alone for me. Thank you. Manipur, I was sick at the women put a year ago.
Dr. Aiims Santa has stressed on the need to upscale funding in RIMS Imphal, especially in nephrology, cardiology, and cancer departments. He expressed hope that office bearers of RIMS is doing everything possible for the development and transformation of RIMS as a premier institute in Northeast India.
Government of India, under the healthcare investment, particularly all India Institute, armed the Delhi the second phase the Taruk Hengale. They slowly Mangangiri, Bibinagar, Yoksala, 21 Suri. India Punamak the government of India healthcare sector investment on the Although Manipur RIMS government of India gini yang pasal na tahu apa ni, yang pasal na cakap. Amka sih na cakap ni bagi wadah ni punya tahu. Kaya ini samna ada pada nephrology wajira, cardiology wajira, nanti cancer gitu ada. Apa yang Manipur da investment yang tahu ni yang terkait lagi. Aduh, apa yang sudah tahu ni yang kena ramai ada. Audio justru yang tahu ni ni kali. Parliament juga sih apa ini Departmental Committee in the Rise Sabada apa ini yang audio mau bina healthcare sector Manipur yang pagatan ni.
Dr. Aiims Santa also expressed optimism on a further scope of progress for RIMS Imphal despite the absence of a post-creation. He asserted that RIMS can become a premier institute like Aiims if it continues to upgrade its facilities and services.
All institute high tariff, even the Nigrim Silong, what foundations are how would the infrastructure foundation the post-creation RIMS की हमारी जब कोई पोस्ट क्रिएशन तो होगा बच्चे नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट क्रिएशन तो होगा अब ये डायरेक्टली चौगो कोई नहीं तो नर्स मक्ता है रे 700 सेंक्शन नहीं तो रे और जी की बीबीनगर 600 एक्स्ट्रा तो रे अदमाइन तो न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन है रो कोई न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन लेटर ने वाई पे इसके अंदर हम दाइडा कोई न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन लेती है तो लोग अदर कांदे हम जी की ट्रॉमा मेडिसिन है रे इनको लोग pull-up ito hawudagi thadaraki buse siya ang advantage ni hawudagi adum foundation si all in the institute aram ni mai package am lai loi su le 45 department le loi ba hekta hare kan apoi na yam tang na hare kan surgical gastroenterology nephrology si me am se loi perfect loi da nuclear medicine da apoi kalu ba me am loi le apoi the hematology oncology medical oncology si me am loi ba yaw ada manipur ki tauri ba sin aims ki hendo kradi apoi aims maming thadro ko aims na I do not do akogi honobado aduna heman gradi aims na pwede gen pugol hakadani ko I don't I example su idea do ko na hen kan chemani na asim wi ko na dum litori si idea na dum litto ko ngam akogi manipur na hen kasto ko rin mo nen tamla ka
Healthcare sector is evolving and evolving fast with time. New experiments, technology and procedures are being updated across the world in healthcare sector. Manipur needs to catch up with the rest of the world. It needs to emulate the work that are being done at country's premier institutes like Aims, as people of Manipur deserves a better healthcare service that is not only efficient but also cost effective. This is Victoria Rajkumari for Khetrmim Premchand, SKTV News, Imphal.